Good night. I choose the company Minesa, a mining company based in Colombia because the project they intend to develop in the Páramo de Santurbán will significantly affect the water consumed in the city of Bucaramanga and the beautiful ecosystem of the Páramo. The water consumed in the city comes from the innumerable tributaries that exist in the Páramo de Santurbán and will and we all know the effects that mining causes on the ecosystem together with the irreparable losses of the Páramo and its entire environment that will end the lives of more than 2.5 million people who drink the water from this tributary. Minesa, Sociedad Minera de Santander, is a gold mining company focused on the development of the Sotonorte Gold Project located in the department of Santander, Colombia. It's a multinational mining company owned by the company Mubadala, United Arab Emirates Investment Group. The environmental impacts will be destruction of the water balance. The excavated tunnels will cause serious damage to underground aquifers. The high forest Páramo and subpáramo work in close harmony, and if any of their ecosystems is affected, the capacity for water regulation will be lost. 7,000 tons of waste will be produced per day, which will significantly affect the Páramo topsoil. There will be no future for the new generations if this project continues. A town without water tends to disappear. For this reason, we strongly request that this project be cancelled immediately, since the life of many species of flora and fauna is in danger, and together we must take care of the life of our planet.